How to play rain sounds on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. On this page, go to the Background Sounds option. As you can see, this feature is currently turned off. Now, turn on the Background Sounds feature as shown. This feature plays background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. These sounds can minimize distractions and help you to focus, calm or rest. Then, go to Sound below. From here, you can choose the type of background sound you want. Select Rain from the options. And then, go back and go to the Rain Volume section. Over here, you can drag the slider to adjust the rain volume. Following these steps, you can easily play rain sounds on iPhone.